Good morning, the viewers at home and all learners. Today we are back to class, still based on the recap. We have some guided practice. The first example we have here is on a sequence. And sequence generally has to do with number variation in terms of the interval. For instance, in this question we have a sequence starts with 3, followed by 13, next 53, next 213, and so on and so forth. Now the variation between 3 and this 13 is a clue. Between 13 and 53, the same clue. What varies between this and this is the same thing that is applied on 13 to get 53, and so on and so forth. So we say the interval is uniform. That is, let's take a look at the deep hint based on the question. It says each term is found by multiplying the previous term by 4 and adding on 1. Now take a look at this. This is 3. 3 is an odd number. Am I right? 13 is an odd number. 53 is an odd number. 213 is an odd number. If we multiply any odd number by an even number, we'll definitely get an even number as our answer. If the first number is 1 and we multiply it by, let's say, 4, we get 4, and 4 is an even number. This is 3, multiply it by 4, you get 12. 12 is an even number. Now, it's saying adding on 1. So whenever you add 1 to an even number, it becomes an odd number. Therefore, from that basic fact, you need not to waste your time multiplying this next number by 4 and add 1. The answer you get, multiply again by 4, add 1. You waste your good time. What do you do in short? Look at the numbers given as options. A, 3,413, odd number. B, 54,613 is also an odd number. Here we have 13,653 is also an odd number. And at the bottom here we have 218,458. Now looking at the trend of the last number, odd numbers end with 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9. Once the number ends with any of them, then definitely it is an odd number. Now these are ending with 3, which is part of the odd number. But this one is ending with 8. So you don't even need to calculate. You draw your conclusion, your answer. That's all. You're out. You move to the next question. This kind of question are given if you can follow what it takes in terms of the guidelines between odd number and even number. And you need not to task your brain at all to pick out the answer. And if you continuously multiply this number by 4, adding 1, you realize that this is not part of the sequence. With this, we come to the end of the example. And I expect you to use more or less the same when you come across the similar question. It's faster, it's easier, and direct. See you in the next class. Bye.